Have you ever held a brand new sheet of paper? It's perfect. Smooth, clean, and unblemished. There's a simple, unspoken integrity to it. In many ways, this is what trust looks like in its purest form. When it's given freely and held carefully in a relationship, everything just flows. Communication is effortless. Vulnerability feels safe. There's a beautiful, unspoken peace in knowing you are secure. But then, something happens. There's a saying that I'm sure you've heard. Trust is like a paper. Once it's crumpled, it can never return to its original state. Today, we're not just going to talk about this saying, we're going to explore what it truly means. We'll look at the pain of that initial crumpling, the frustrating attempt to fix it, and most importantly, how we can mindfully and realistically move forward when the paper can never be perfect again. This is the part we all know too well. After the trust is broken, whether by a lie, a secret, or a betrayal, there's often an attempt to smooth things over. Apologies are made, promises are given. We try, with all our might, to make things the way they were. But it's never the same, is it? Look at these creases. These are the memories. The doubts, the moments you now second it. You can flatten the paper, but you can't erase the wrinkles. Every wrinkle is a question. Will it happen again? Every jagged edge is a moment of hesitation. Can I truly be vulnerable again? The effortless peace is gone. Now, the relationship requires constant, conscious effort to look past the damage. You can't unknow what you know, and you can't unfeel what you felt. To pretend the paper is pristine again is to live in denial, and that is not a foundation for healing. Here is the hard but liberating truth. The goal is not to return to the way things were. That version of the relationship, the one built on that pristine sheet of paper, is gone. And that's okay. It's okay to grieve that. Depressur, to forgive and forget, is one of the most damaging myths in healing. True forgiveness doesn't mean erasing the past. Mindful healing means acknowledging the reality of the present moment. And the reality is, the paper is crumpled. The foundation has shifted. So, if we can't make it perfect again, what do? Do we throw the paper away? Sometimes, yes. Some betrayals are too deep, and walking away is the healthiest choice. But other times, there is another path. In Japan, there is an art form called Kintsugi. When a piece of pottery breaks, it is not thrown away. Instead, the pieces are carefully put back together with lacquer mixed with powdered gold. The philosophy behind Kintsugi is that the object is more beautiful for having been broken. The cracks are not hidden. They are illuminated. The scars become a part of its history, a testament to its resilience. This is our path forward with crumpled trust. We stop trying to erase the wrinkles, and instead, we learn to mend them with gold. What is this gold? It's honesty. It's radical transparency. It's the hard conversations. It's the consistent, daily actions that prove things are different now. It is patience. It is compassion for both the person who was hurt and the person who must now earn back every inch of ground. The relationship will never be that smooth, naive piece of paper again. Instead, it can become something else, something tested, something more resilient, something that doesn't hide its history but acknowledges it as the very thing that gives it a new, deeper beauty. The trust is different now. It's not blind, but conscious. It's earned, not just given. So, if you are holding a piece of crumpled paper in your life right now, stop trying to iron it out. Acknowledge the wrinkles. Grieve the smoothness that is gone. And then ask yourself if you are both willing to start the patient work of mending with gold, to build something new, not by pretending the damage never happened, but by honoring the healing process. Because a heart, like pottery, is often most beautiful and strongest where it has been broken and lovingly repaired. Thank you for sharing this mindful moment with us today. Trust is one of the most complex parts of being human, and I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. How have you learned to live with the wrinkles? If this message resonated with you, please consider liking this video and subscribing for more conversations that soften the heart. Be well.